Are you ready to find out everything there is to know about the top 5 Bizzare drones that you've never heard of? Well, you've come to the right place. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. First up, we have the Buwan F7 GB2 drone with. Besides, F7 camera drone with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal provides stronger stability to ensure that the captured picture will not shake. Hover stably even with some wind. The low-noise brushless motors plus the level 6 wind resistance provide you a quieter and stable flight experience. Its ability to hover in one spot without worrying about it moving around makes filming simple and enjoyable as you watch on your phone. Easy to fly and control. We provide quick start guide and some videos to help you get started. It really takes no time to get the hang of this drone. Terence from England gave this product 5 stars and said that it's easy to learn and fly. Candace from Australia gave this product 5 stars and said, the mobility of the camera. Use it for inspecting roofs. For our next item, let's take a look at the Holy Stone GPS drone. 4K Ultra Clear Camera. 4K camera with 110 wide-angle and 90 adjustable provides a high-resolution picture, enabled to capture a perfect shot. 5 GHz FPV transmission delivery a smooth and stable videos even in high-speed or strong wind conditions. More intelligent functions. This drone can trace and follow you automatically, flying along a path you set, or fly around a point in circles. And when you pose to the camera, it will take a photo or video, let you enjoy the wonderful flight experience. Harmony from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, I would recommend this drone if you are on a budget and want to put big money into another well-known make if you want to see if this is what you want to try. Our next product comes highly recommended, the Holy Stone HS200 FPV. Various features, altitude hold, emergency stop, 360 flip, headless mode and one-key takeoff/landing can be realized on HS200. HD 720p FPV camera, seize the moment by equipped FOV 120 wide-angle lens, take an aerial video by this quadcopter and watch real-time images on your device. Wendy from Canada gave this product 5 stars and said, great toy for my 6 years old, very sturdy. Aaron from Canada gave this product 5 stars and said, since the drone does not have a gimbal you will not get the super smooth video, but on the flip side of that, it gives a cool perspective like you are a bird flying. Next up we have the Roque U52 Drone with. The video clips are automatically saved to the micro SD card. You edit HD footage and directly upload it to social media from your iPhone or iPad. Multifunctional and add fun to fly. Our camera drone can perform 360 flips and rolls. Circle fly makes fly more attractive. You can define an exact flying route on the app map, brings you spectacular flying experiences. You can fly the drone by moving smartphone up or down with gravity sensor enables the drone follow your phone's direction. Great best drone toy gift for beginners. Steady and intelligent alert. This drone does auto hovering. This mode that ensures a steady hover in the air at a certain altitude when we focus on take great aerial pictures and videos. Dwayne from England gave this product 5 stars and said, very stable and easy to control. It has all the functions a drone should have, it's worth the price I paid. I will buy another one for a Christmas gift. Don't worry. We didn't forget to talk about the Anker Hub Drone with camera. Record your precious moments with a unique perspective. 5G FPV provides you with faster and sharper video transmission. GPS smart operation with built-in GPS function. This drone provides you with a smoother shooting journey. You can recall the drone precisely back to the starting point with just a tap. There's no fear of losing it anymore. Easier and more fun intelligent modes such as follow me, point of interest, waypoints, etc. provide endless possibilities for exciting shots. Let the shooting fun cascade. You can instantly share each brilliant moment to your social platform via mobile app. Come and share the happy memories with your friends. We're glad you watched our video about the top 5 Bizzare drones that you've never heard of and hope you found it helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.